The BMW 8 Series is a high-performance luxury coupe, convertible, and Grand Coupe that requires specialized maintenance to keep it in peak condition. Here's a detailed guide covering servicing, common issues, and ownership costs. 1. BMW 8 Series Maintenance Schedule. BMW recommends following the Condition-Based Service (CBS) system, which uses sensors to alert you when maintenance is needed. However, here's a general guideline. Every 10,000 miles or once a year. Oil and filter change. Use BMW approved 0W20 full synthetic oil. Tire rotation and inspection. Brake system check. Includes pads, rotors, and fluid. Fluid top off, coolant, power steering, windshield washer. Battery and charging system check. Every 30,000 miles. Air filter replacement. Cabin air filter replacement. Fuel system cleaning. Every 60,000 miles. Spark plug replacement. Transmission fluid change. Coolant flush. Differential fluid change. Every 100,000 miles. Water pump and thermostat replacement. Suspension inspection and potential component replacement. 2. Common BMW 8 Series issues. While the 8 Series G14, G15, G16 is generally reliable, some owners have reported issues. Carbon buildup on direct injection engines can lead to rough idling or power loss. Requires intake cleaning. Electronic issues. Some owners experience iDrive glitches or sensor malfunctions. Suspension wear. Components like control arms and bushings may wear out around 60,000–80,000 miles. Oil leaks. More common on older models but can occur around 50,000 plus miles. 3. Service costs for BMW 8 Series. The BMW 8 Series is an expensive car to maintain due to its performance components. Below are estimated service costs. BMW offers prepaid maintenance plans like BMW Ultimate Care for the first 3 years, 36,000 miles, which covers basic services. 4. Finding a BMW service center. If you need a BMW certified service center, I can look up locations near you. Let me know your city or zip code. Do you need help with a specific service issue or are you looking for pricing comparisons?